ngibhala ngoba impilo ngiyayithanda. Impilo ngiyayithanda and iqiniso ukuthi impilo ithuba eselinikeze ukuthi seliphile liyophunyuka ngelinye ilanga. Kodwa uzothola ukuthi khona abantu engeke lize libaphunyuke at all. Labantu who have written down, who have sat down to write their books, to record their music, to break world records bese kuyabhalwa ngabo nazo zonke lezo zinto. So I guess the first thing that made me want to write was to immortalize my mark ngale ndlela. I'm a greatest motivational speaker, Mina, because when I look at myself in the mirror, I name it as it is. And from that perspective, I can then talk to people from an honesty that also rubs onto them. Babone sengathi uma yakwazi ukuthi akhulume kanjena with this honesty. Mhlawumbe nami angingathi nje namhlanje ngihlezi ku session la ufuna ngibe inspired khona, but ngihlezi ku session la ngiphambi kwesibuko sami nami la ufuna la ngizibone ngempela ukuthi ngiyazenzisa noma lento engiyibonayo iyona.
Girl, it's me and you now.